you doing today? Welcome back to your favorite Math TV channel, that's Top Notch Figures TV. How are you doing today? And hope you're enjoying your Salah. Barika the Salah to all my Muslim fans. How are you? Okay, today we will be learning division. We'll be learning division. And what are we going to learn? You will learn to divide 4-digit whole numbers by 1 digit. You will learn to divide 4-digit whole numbers by 1 digit. So let's start with this example. Divide 4,206. So let's start with this example. Divide 4,206 by 3. We will be using the long division method to do this. By using the long division method to do this, remember part of the division that says where we have the what? The dividend, the divisor, our quotient, and our what? Remainder. That's in case we have that. You need to remember this. Where we have our dividend, which is what? The number which we are dividing from. The divisor, the number which we are using to divide. The quotient is our answer. And a remainder if we have any. Okay. So now let's move. Using our long division method. Using our long division method, then we write our what inside, and our what dividend goes in. Oh, sorry. 4,206, where we have our divisor outside. Then we start. Firstly, look at your numbers. Look at our divisor here. This is 3. And here, what do we have? 4. Which of the two is greater? 4 is greater than 3. So we can start with a number. Since we can take away 3 from 4. That is, you can divide this from 3 from 4. So meaning you can use 1-digit number instead of using the 2. So now let's start. How many 3 can you see in 4? That is what it means. Simply, division means to share. So meaning how many times can I see 3 in 4? If you have your 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can take away 3 there. How many times? 1, 2, 3. Meaning you can only see 3 once in 4. So you what? Write your 1. First thing you do when you are doing a long division is what? You divide. Then the next thing we do, 1 multiplied by 3. 1 times 3. And 1 times 3 is what? 3. Write it under your 4, where you started from. Where you start from, that is where you write. Then the next thing we did is what? We multiply. After multiplying, then we what? Subtract. 4 minus 3. 4 take away 3. So 4 minus 3 is what? When you count your 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what do you have left? 1. 1. After you divide, you multiply, then subtract. Then the next thing is what? We will pull down. Pull down the next number. The next number we have there is 2. Pull it down. Then pull down. These are all we need to do when we are doing long division. So let's continue. Then you pull down. So now divide again. 12. How many 3 can you see in 12? Check the tables of 3. Do we have 12? When we check the tables of 3, 3 times 1, do we have 12? Yes. And what is that? 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 4. So you write your 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Then you subtract. When you subtract 2 minus 2, remember you must always start from where? You must always start your division, your subtraction, addition from your unit. So we start here. 2 take away 2 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. After subtracting, what again? After subtraction, what do? You pull down. Pull down. So 3 in 0. 0 means what? So we have a 0. 0 times 3 is still 0. So write your 0. Subtract. What do you have? 0, 0, 0. Next is to pull down. 3 in 6, it is 2. 2 times 3 is what? Multiply 6. Your 0, 0. Still subtract. 6 minus 6, 0, 0, 0. So what is our answer? Our quotient is what? 1000. Since we don't have any number to pull down again, so that's our final answer. So we can have 1402. Do we understand? Okay, now let's see another example. Okay, so this is another example. We have 5630 divided by 6. 5630 divided by 6. So now let's go. 5630 divided by 6. Remember, you have your divisor inside and you have your dividend inside and your divisor outside. Okay, now you remember when we started earlier, we have the 4,000 something divided by 3. I said since we can take enough, 4 is bigger than 3, we could divide that easily. But here we have 6 more than 5. This is 5630, but we need to do this gradually. Let us start from since we have 6 more than 5. So now we need to look at the two numbers. So we have 56. So this is now 56. So 56 divided by 6. Now let us look at this. Check out the tables of 6. Look for a number closer to 56, but not more than. Are you with me? Do you understand that? So number closer to 56, but not more than 56. Let us look at the tables of 6. So let's go. 6 times 1 is 6 times 2. 6 times 3. 6 times 4. 6 times 5. 6 times 6. 6 times 7. 6 times 8. 6 times 9. Remember, I said number very close to, but not more than. So what is 6 times 9? 6 times 10. Now let us look at this. Let's stop at 6 times 10. Which number is very closer to 56, but not more than 56? So now we are around here. 5460. So which one is closer to 56 but not more than? 54 is closer to 56, not more than. But 60 is also closer to 56, but it is more than 50. 60 is closer but more than 56. So that is why this is out and we will pick this. So we go for 9. 9 times 6 is what? 54. So we subtract. Remember, after your division, we multiply, then we subtract. So let's subtract this. Excuse me. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. What do we have? We have 2. 5 minus 5 will give us 0. After subtraction, what do? We pull down. Pull down your 3. Now let us look at this again. Check out for in the tables of 6, which number is closer to 23 but not more than 23. Which number is closer to 23 but not more than 23? Which number is closer to 23 but not more than 23? Let us look at this. So we have it around here. 18 is closer and not more than. But 24 is closer but more than. This is even closer, 24, but it's more than 23. So we go for 18. So we do 3. 3 times 6 is what? 18. You will subtract minus 18. Subtract. 3 minus 8, impossible. So we come to the next door, we borrow. We take a 10. 10 plus 3, that makes it 13. So that is why we have 13. Remember, this is a unit. This is 3 units, 2 tens. So we've come here to borrow a 10. So a 10 plus 3 makes it 13. 13 minus 8, that is 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus nothing, 0. So we have 5. We have 5. What next are we dropping? Then we come here, we drop a 0. 0. 6 in 50. 6 in 50. Which number is closer? We have 8. 8. 8 times 6 is what? 48. 48. Then let's subtract. We come here, we borrow, this remains 4, then 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Do we have any other number to drop? No. Since we don't have any other number to pull down, then our answer is what? We have 938 remainder. This becomes our remainder. Remainder 2. Do we understand? Do we understand? Thank you. Here ends our lesson for today. See you in our next class. And remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Right. Top Notch Figures TV remains your best maths channel. Bye.